Story: Amina and the Broken Toy. Amina was a cheerful little girl who loved playing with her toys. Her favorite was a red toy car that her father had given her on her birthday. She never let anyone else touch it. One day, her cousin came over to play and asked, "Can I play with your car too?" Amina frowned. "No, this is mine. You'll break it." The cousin felt sad and walked away. Amina continued playing alone. Later that day, by accident, Amina dropped the car and one of its wheels broke. She was heartbroken and started crying. Her cousin saw her and quietly came over. He sat beside her and said, "It's okay, I can help fix it. My dad taught me how." Surprised and a bit ashamed, Amina handed him the car. Together, they fixed the toy. From that day on, Amina learned that sharing doesn't make things less valuable. It makes friendship stronger. Moral: sharing builds friendship, selfishness breaks trust.